How to add optimism to MetaMask. Hello guys, in this video I am excited because you'll be learning a whole lot about adding the optimism network to your MetaMask wallet. So adding the optimism network to your MetaMask wallet allows you to interact with layer 2 Ethereum applications and also enjoy lower gas fees. You can see how cool that is. So to manually add the network, all you need to do is open your MetaMask wallet. First of all, move to the top left corner of the screen, click on the networks drop down menu, and then scroll down to the part where you can see add network and click on it. Now after clicking on it, you'll be brought to the networks page. Now here you will see the popular custom networks. But if you cannot find optimism network like I am here, just go ahead and click on add a network manually. So now at this stage, the next step would be to enter in the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, the block explorer URL. And then to do that, to get all of these details, if you don't have them handy, move to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon. And then once you know the name of the network, just type out the RPC URL of optimism and then click on and so this is it. All right, the RPC URL for the optimism mainnet is this, so you can just go ahead and copy this. And then the next thing to do would be to type out search for the chain ID as well as the currency symbol and explorer symbol. And then once you can get it, just go ahead and fill in all of this. So for example, the network name, which is optimism, okay, optimism, and then the URL, just paste it here, then the chain ID, which is 10, and then the currency symbol, select it and then click on save, and just like that, optimism has been added. So you can just switch to it if you want, or you can remain on the current network that you are using. So this is how to add it. You can see it's so simple. Try it as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.